Welcome back to Primetime News. Time now for the top business stories of the day.
The Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, says a technical issue led it to not publishing the average rates for foreign currency on Monday. In a notice on the central bank's website, it says technical issues were encountered with the JamClear foreign exchange trading platform application. The BOJ says as a result, the weighted average selling rate generated on Friday, August 2, 2024, will be used as the applicable exchange rate for customs and general consumption tax GCT purposes. This is for the period running from Monday of this week to Wednesday, August 7. The central bank says normal operations will resume on Wednesday, August 7, unless otherwise advised. Let's remind you of those rates which came at the close of trading on Friday. The American dollar has been going for an average $157.74, the Canadian for $115.18, $203.57 the average value for the pound, while the euro has been going for $174.59. The World Bank says more than 100 countries, including China, India, Brazil, and South Africa, are experiencing challenges which could hinder their efforts to become high-income countries in the next few decades. In a study dubbed the middle-income trap, the multilateral says as countries grow wealthier, they usually stay at about 10% of annual gross domestic product (GDP) per person. That's about $8,000. The report says that is in the middle of the range of what the World Bank classifies as middle-income countries. It says since 1990, only 34 middle-income economies have managed to shift to high-income status. More than a third of them were either beneficiaries of integration into the European Union or of previously undiscovered oil. And that's a business day. I'm Hal Shane Burke.
We head to a quick break. When we come back, we'll have your top stories from around the world.